In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download code from Claude AI. Whether you want to grab a single code block or export your entire chat history, I will walk you through the simplest, most reliable methods so you can keep your work organized and ready to use. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign in. Being logged in ensures you can access your conversations and any files Claude produces. If you are just getting started, give the interface a moment to load your previous chats so everything is in place before you download. When Claude generates code, you'll often see it appear in a separate artifact window on the right side of the screen. Think of this space as a clean, focused view for code. To download that code directly, look for the download button near the bottom right corner of the artifact window and click it. Your browser will save the file using a sensible name and extension so you can work with it immediately. If your browser asks where to save, choose a dedicated project folder and use clear file names so you can find them later. Alternatively, if you prefer to handle it manually or want a quick snippet, click the small drop-down arrow next to the code. From there, choose to copy or download. Copying is great when you want to paste into an editor you already have open. After copying, give the code a quick glance to confirm indentation and spacing carried over correctly, especially for languages where whitespace matters. Once you have the code, paste it into your local editor VS Code, Notepad, or any tool you like. Keep the original formatting intact to avoid syntax issues. If your project uses a specific language or framework, make sure the file extension matches. And consider running a quick lint or format pass so everything is consistent before you test. If you need more than a single code block, say you want a record of an entire conversation, exporting your history is the way to go. Click your profile icon or initials in the bottom left corner. Next, open Settings. Then go to the Privacy section and select Export Data. Claude will prepare an archive of your account data and send a download link to your email. This link lets you download a zip file of your history in a structured format, which is handy for auditing work, sharing context with teammates, or keeping an offline backup. A quick tip: preparing the export may take a few minutes for larger histories. If you don't see the email, check your spam or filtered folders. And make sure you are using the same account you signed in with. That's it. Thanks for watching.